For a better understanding, let us take one problem based on this application of trigonometry. Let us take one problem here. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. That we have to find here. That means a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing some distance of a building which is 30 meter tall. The angle of elevation increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. We have to find the distance he walked towards the building here. Okay, so that is a clear question. For better understanding, let us consider here is a boy 1.5 meter. Here is a building AB which is 30 meters tall. So this boy is moving towards the building. Okay, here is the angle of elevation formed here with the line of horizontal. Okay, so here this is 30 degree. Okay, when he moved towards the building, the angle of elevation will increases from 30 degree to 60 degree. Now you see, when he moved towards the building, the angle of elevation will increases from 30 degree to 60 degree here. So we have to find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay, that is the problem here. So we have to consider here two right angle triangles. Okay, so that is ACM and B, that is BCM and BPM we have to consider. So by using that, let us find the distance he walked. That is here DQ is same as CP. Okay, AD is same as CM because those two are parallel lines here. Now let us consider a rough diagram for this one. Let me consider AB be the height of the building and CD be the boy 1.5 meter. Now here is the line of sight. So this is the distance between the building to AD is the distance between the building to the boy before moving, and PAQ which is same as PM is the distance after he walked towards the building here. So this is the line of sight. So the angle of elevation is increasing from 30 to 60 degree. We have to find this DQ or CP here. Okay, for that you write this much, that's all. That is AB with the height of the building, CD is equal to PQ is equal to 1.5 meter which is same as AM, height of the boy. Distance walked is to be find is DQ is equal to CP is equal to what we have to find. For that, let us consider the triangle BCM. This right angle triangle BCM. So where M is equal to 90 degree, okay, and theta is 30 degree. Now according to trigonometry, BM by CM is equal to tan theta, no, opposite to adjacent is tan theta. So I told that is we have to use tan only here. So we don't know this distance CM, we have to take that as it is. Okay, BM is 28.5 meter because here 1.5 we have to remove. BM is found to be AB minus AM here. AB minus AM gives BM. 30 minus 1.5 is 28.5. It is 28.5 by CM is equal to tan 30 degree. 28.5 by CM is equal to tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. Okay, by cross multiply you will get CM is equal to 28.5 root 3 meter. Let us consider again, let us consider the triangle BMP. In triangle BMP, again you see that angle M is equal to 90 degree and now theta is 60 degree now, is it not? Therefore BM by PM you take. Bm by Pm is equal to, that is tan 60 degree, tan 60. Now Bm is again 28.5 by, so this is Pm, we don't know, you keep as it is, that is equal to 28.5 by Pm. Tan 60 is root 3 now. Okay, now cross multiply, you will get Pm is equal to 28.5 by root 3 you will get. So let me call it as equation 1, it has equation 2. What we have to find, you see, Cp no, or dq, Cp or dq. How we are going to get Cp? Look at this. So that is dq is equal to Cp is given by Cm minus Pm. Cm minus Pm. So if we subtract bigger side by smaller side, we will get this one, no? That is Cp. That's equal to Cp is equal to, what is Cm? Cm is found to be 28.5 root 3 minus Pm is 28.5 by root 3 here. So here itself we can rationalize, otherwise we can simplify as it is. What is common here? Cp is equal to 28.5 is common, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 is there, no? Cp is equal to 28.5. So now take the LCM, root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 by root 3 here. So that means Cp is equal to 28.5 into 2 by root 3. 28.5 means here into 2, no? Is it? So that is 5 2s are 10, 0, 1 carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, okay, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by root 3 you will get. Means 5 by root 3. Again, if I rationalize this root 3 by root 3, you will get Cp is equal to 57 root 3 by 3 you will get. Cp is equal to, again 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27 root 3 meters is the accurate value of this distance you walk. Cp is equal to 19.3 root 3 meters here, 19.3 root 3 meters. Okay, so you can you understood this one, I think. Okay, you have to write the answer in the standard form, not as in the decimal form. Okay, so that's why I rationalized that root 3. You have to vanish the denominator, third form. That's why I removed that one.